Welcome to SacredBox, where your spiritual journey is supported every step of the way. In this demonstration, we'll explore how you, as a service seeker, can use the SacredBox messaging feature to communicate directly with your service provider. SacredBox Messaging is where your provider will share their service responses. To keep track of all your communications, simply navigate to the My Messages section. This is your central hub for all interactions with your provider, designed to feel just like your regular messaging app, but with the added security of SacredBox. Rest assured, because SacredBox does not reveal personal details such as phone numbers or email addresses, this space remains safe and secure for both parties. To access the conversation for a specific booking, you have two options. You can either click on the mail icon directly from your booking list, or you can go to the booking details page and click the Go to Messages button. Either way, you'll be taken directly to the conversation related to that booking, where you can review all the information you've shared with your provider. Should your provider require further clarification, they might send a message with questions in text or even share media files. You can easily reply using text or media files. Each message you exchange triggers a notification to both you and your provider, ensuring that you're always up to date and able to respond promptly. Once your provider has all the necessary details, their final response will appear in the conversation, again, delivered either as text or media. This seamless flow of communication ensures that both parties remain informed, making it easier to complete your service efficiently. And that's how messaging works on SacredBox, keeping you and your service provider connected every step of the way. Enjoy a secure, reliable, and user-friendly messaging experience as you continue on your spiritual journey with SacredBox.